Our schools are failing in math. As our education system reaches a national crisis, our children continue to struggle with math standards. The old school of math is in desperate need of a makeover. Finally, there's a solution. Local teachers in Southern California have stepped forward to create a program called Singin and Signin.
As a veteran teacher, I was disappointed that so many of my students had difficulty remembering the complex math formulas that they need to do well in school. So my teaching partner and I did some brain research, and we realized that most adults today still rely on A, B, C, D, E, F, G when they're looking up something in the dictionary or the phone book. And we realized that came from the tune, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And yet we were able to remember it years later. So we developed Singin and Signin, where we use songs and signs that most kids already knew at a young age, and we attached these complicated math formulas to the tunes they already knew.
The new math songs are paired with signs and gestures, many of which are taken from the American Sign Language.
Different denominators, oh what a pain. You can't add or subtract till you make them both the same. The least common multiple makes them equivalent. Just use the LCM.
Well, we collected 3 years of Singin and Signin data, and our results were so dramatic that we knew we had to share our success with others.
I've been using Singin and Signin in the classroom for 4 years now, and the great thing about it is it reaches all my students. My gifted students, my special needs students, even my English learners who don't have a good grasp of the English language, yet they're still mastering the concepts and formulas.
Singin and Signin really sticks with them. The songs stay with them for a long period of time, well after they've left the classroom.
I love singing and signing because my son is actually able to enjoy what he is learning, and when you find your child in the swimming pool singing and signing or in the shower singing and signing, that's a really great thing.
I've brought these songs home to my family, and I've taught my wife these songs and sharing my excitement from the classroom. Even my 3-year-old son is now walking around the house singing Area of the Circle. He may not understand the concept, but he knows all the words.
Many of our former students who are in high school now will come back to share with us how they still use Singin and Signin to help them in their algebra and geometry classes.
I knew the very first time I saw Singin and Signin that it was an extraordinary product. So when I introduced it to RM, they too had the exact same response. It is so elementary yet brilliant because it teaches the way kids learn.
RM Educational Software, an international company, has partnered with Singin and Signin to market the supplemental math program globally. RM has developed Singin and Signin in their award-winning software called Easy Teach.
We at RM are extremely excited to be partnered with Singin and Signin. Singin and Signin is truly a unique and innovative product in education. Standardized scores are the measurement that schools are graded by, and Singin and Signin is the product that's going to elevate those scores.
Students using Singin and Signin outscored their school, the district, and the state of California when comparing average standardized test scores.
All the students are engaged all the time. From the beginning of the lesson to the end of the lesson, the students are tapping their whiteboard, 2-column note-taking, highlighting key terms, and singing and signing from start to finish.
And while they're learning, they're having fun. And as a teacher, there's no greater joy than seeing a struggling student finally succeed.
Singing and signing is not just wanted in the classroom, it's needed in the classroom. And every school should have this program.
For more information on this groundbreaking program, please visit www.nickinote.com or call their toll-free number at 866-696-4259.